Hey, Familito. This is HDL Bullies. Get out of the camera. No, get out of camera. Get out of, come. This way, Snow. Come. Come there. Hey, Familito. This is HDL Bullies. This is HDL Bullies, family. Family, we've been saying this now for quite a long time. That we're gonna up our game. That we're gonna bring in a new standard into the camp. And look at the start. This is King Mike. He's an American XL bully. Let me just show you guys the structure of this man. This big man. Look at this big man. Look at his structure. This big man. So, family, though, we've been saying this for quite a long time now. If you subscribe to this channel, it automatically enters you into a free puppy giveaway. So, please like and subscribe and share. And this Sunday, we will be giving away the free pup. Don't forget to subscribe. It's HDL Bullies, baby. Funny Dollar Macy.